What we do usually seems complicated and complex. A huge amount of information, analysis, and unconscious decisions often make details dictate what we do. In the modern world of data, it is important to be able to deal with excess information and adapt to the changing situation as quickly as possible. Changes are inevitable, but changes make life better for those who notice them. Dynamism, synergy, and results define our view on creating solutions that help you to notice changes. We have a lot of information to process and analyze, but are there any production companies that can fully use this data for our, that is, their clients' benefit? Can the products that accompany us every day helping us with ordinary and unusual tasks be better? Our world is made of elements made in factories. Every object that is within our sight has been designed and manufactured by man with the inevitable use of machines, computers, robots, and even artificial intelligence. We don't have to think about how it was created. This is taken care of by the professionals from the manufacturing industry and IT companies that understand the continuous nature and inevitability of change.
Basic activities of DSR is supporting manufacturers using IT solutions. We support efficiency in the production based on our experience of our team of programmers, developers, and consultants. We ensure our customers about the efficiency in the production. In 2005, we launched a team of 2 people, including me. We were leveraging our relations on the market among manufacturing companies in Poland. We were fighting for contracts to support manufacturing companies using IT solutions. I used to work for ERP vendor. I found a gap in ERP vendor, brick players offering for manufacturers. There was a space, time frame after the go live or the ERP software, usually critical moment in the history of the IT support for manufacturing company. Of course, if customer survived this critical moment, there was a space for additional services, but we were obliged to deliver it very dynamically, and we did it. My favorite one is when we rented a fantastic office space, 18 square meters, and we were considering connecting or not connecting the fax machine. And eventually we decided to connect fax machine, and just after connecting, 15 minutes after connecting, the first order from the customer arrived. So even in our new technology world, sometimes old technology matters.
Is it possible to provide effective IT support for manufacturing companies in these fast-changing times? Does the cooperation of an experienced team of experts, consultants, project managers, analysts, programmers adequately facilitate the inevitable changes? At the beginning of its operation 15 years ago, DSR carried out a major undertaking, which was a project to implement the DSR 4FACTORY production scheduling system at a factory of an international food company in China. Everything went very fast from there. Our first independent project, ERP 4FACTORY, the introduction of the proprietary CFC 4FACTORY application, and obtaining the status of an exclusive Polish distributor of the solutions of QAD, an American provider of ERP solutions. The following years brought further development, changes for the better, cooperation with new partners, and hiring new employees. Even a small office in the suburbs has turned into a spacious office in the European Center of New Technologies in Wrocław. DSR 4FACTORY is a very good example of combining knowledge and experience of people with the latest IT technology. We create and develop tools that help manufacturing companies save millions of dollars to better meet the requirements of the competitive market and new expectations of the changing world. With this in mind, we have been working on developing the right IT solutions for production for over a decade. We are glad that the DSR 4FACTORY supports manufacturing companies in implementing the idea of Industry 4.0 and Smart Factory.
DSR 4FACTORY is for manufacturers, is every single DSR's activity on the market. We do everything for manufacturers. So basically, DSR 4FACTORY is a set of applications and services we developed based on our experiences, knowledge and passion. So everything for manufacturers.
The DSR 4FACTORY offer is a unique combination of modern software and comprehensive IT services supporting efficient management of production. We have carried out several hundred projects to implement IT solutions at international and Polish manufacturing companies, which achieve a total of over $65 billion in revenue per year. Among them are companies from such industries as food, automotive, or industrial products.
Industry 4.0 is for factory is Industry 4.0. There is no doubt. We deliver IT solutions for manufacturers and we, using 4FACTORY modules, we support them to transform to Industry 4.0 world. Every single element of 4FACTORY, like IoT 4FACTORY, AI 4FACTORY, is based on cloud. So we support manufacturing companies in transition to Industry 4.0 and to the cloud.
Industry 4.0 is still somehow a surreal concept, but it is another change that is inevitable. Stanisław Lem, a well-known Polish science fiction writer, wrote in 1961 in the book Return from the Stars about crystal touchscreens allowing for reading books. Sounds familiar? The world is changing. What worked well yesterday, tomorrow may just be a memory. DSR 4FACTORY supports quick responses to changes and helps you to make better business decisions today and tomorrow. You have to be able to react quickly because everything changes quickly. Production can't be late.
Considering the next 5 years and DSR future, I think that we would like to be a leader on the market, delivering the solutions for the manufacturers interested in transformation to Industry 4.0 or Industry 5.0. So I'm sure that we will be able to support efficient production and a number in industry.
Industry 4.0 becomes a fact. It creates many new development opportunities for everyone. Being aware of changes that the production needs to meet the requirements of customers, that is, us in general, is common, but only a few know how to do it. DSR 4FACTORY and maybe Factory 5, 6, 7, 8. We are looking forward to doing business with you.